thinking machines, the lab that came out of OpenAI when some employees left, just published their kind of manifesto or their opinion on how the future of AI should be built. So there are some ideas that they say. First of all, instead of moving towards highly centralized, completely autonomous AI systems, thinking machines argues for a distributed human-centric approach. First of all, we need to understand the difference between raw intelligence, which AI has plenty of and is creating, it's advancing, and local specialized knowledge, which humans possess. So in your company, in your community, in your town, in your family, friends, local specialized knowledge for what you need. And so the idea here is that today's LLMs and AI models are trained by big labs centrally and then universally deployed. The problem here is that they don't account for specific details, specific local knowledge of people, and so they are not able to help small communities, small companies who have their own small data, small knowledge. So instead of this, AI should be able to learn from small groups, or small groups should be able to teach or train the AI their local knowledge, and so they can use it for their specific situation, as opposed to it being universal, central, without knowing this local stuff. So first of all, just typing a prompt and waiting is not so good. So we need to have some live collaboration, which is voice, gestures, video, text, humans talking to AI, interrupting it, telling it, correcting it. And also the new benchmarks, instead of just measuring how long AI can work autonomously, we should measure how much human and AI can accomplish together. And then decentralized alignment. This is the problem that we all see. It's a single entity, and there is one company in particular who wants to decide everything, how AI should behave, what AI should do. There is a single company, I'm not going to name, but they want to kinda, from our perspective, is their AI is kinda imposing their rules and their ideas onto everybody. So we want to avoid this. So we want everybody to be able to install their own ideas, guardrails, even if our AIs are going to disagree. Thinking machines, they believe that just like people disagree, AI should also disagree. And there shouldn't be like one universal that everybody disagrees with at the end. And this localized alignment, it should be encoded directly into the weights. So the weight should be changed, not just the prompt. So this is what thinking machines is kind of working towards. They're making this, they want to make this easier for everybody to communicate, to change, to retrain their AIs. They are also training their own foundational models that they're going to make it easy to fine-tune, customize, update weights, and they want to make it frontier. And they're also building tools that help users fine-tune, change the weights of the models, as well as new interfaces for real-time communication. And they also openly publish their findings for the scientific community, so they accelerate everybody this way. So I think other people will also start doing it this way. Although now we have a tension between the big centralized labs, their main goal right now is to increase the time LLMs can work autonomously, pursue autonomous tasks. Later, kind of secondary, a bit longer horizon goal, maybe 1 to 2 year goal is to create autonomous AI researcher as well. So that's gonna be the short summary, which is what they cover in this blog. And see you in the next video.